Ah, yun pong 555 ay hindi dapat nangyayari yun. Nandoon na po sa ating...
Kung hindi na dapat nangyari, bakit nangyayari? Why are you allowing it to happen?
There are already rules that are in place that prohibit yung practices na yon. Pero kung nangyayari po ay ang unang intervention po ng Department of Labor and Employment, kung nandoon pa po sila ay inspection. Pwede pong makita yon na sa inspection. Pangalawa po, kung wala na po sila doon, pwede po silang tumakbo sa aming SENA, yung single entry approach, para naman makapagsilbi kami sa kanila through conciliation and mediation po. At kung wala pong settlement doon, ay pwede po silang maghabla dito po sa National Labor Relations Commission.
Easily said than done, ika nga. Kasi I did my inspections last year. Nag-ikot po ako sa maraming mga malalaking manufacturing company, and the video will show to you what happened after my visit, during my visit, okay, and even before my visit. Na ang problema kasi sa inyong taga-Dole, hindi ka nag-inspect. Kung mag-inspect man kayo, nakatakip yung mata nyo. Sinasabi ko na ito ilang beses, paglabas ng compound, may bitbit ng envelope. Yun eh. At ang nangyari, ang kinakausap nila sa inyong inspection, yung HR, I'm not talking to you, Yusek, look at me please. Please look at me. Don't look at her. Ang ginagawa nyo kasi, when you get into that company, when you're there, hindi po kayo I mean your people. Ang kinakausap nyo, HR, you talk to the management. Why not talk to the workers instead? Closed door. Tawagin yung mga workers, ano mga problema nyo rito? Huwag kayo mag-alala. Lahat sila. Isa-isa magsasabi sa inyo kung ano yung problema. Go to the mismong lugar na pinagtatrabahuan nila. Walang electric fan, walang exhaust fan, madulas, wala silang proper working gear, nakachinelas lang as opposed to dapat nakasapatos. Those things na na-notice ko. And ang masakit, sir, nung ako'y mag-inspeksyon, malaman-laman ko na yung Dole inspector was just there a month ago. Na hindi nakita yung nakita ko. A month ago.